Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send BNB from Crypto.com to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to secure your BNB tokens in a hardware wallet like Tangem for better safety, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your Tangem wallet set up and ready. If you haven't already, download the Tangem app on your phone and pair it with your physical wallet. This is your secure gateway to managing your crypto offline. Now, open your Crypto.com app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select BNB from your list of assets. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular token, so it's likely front and center. Next, tap on the Withdraw or Send option for BNB. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Here's where your Tangem wallet comes in. Open the Tangem app, go to the Receive section, and copy the BNB address. It's crucial to get this right, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Pro tip: always verify the address by comparing it character by character to avoid any costly mistakes. Enter the amount of BNB you want to send, keeping in mind any network fees. In 2025, Crypto.com might use the BNB Smart Chain for this transfer, so select that network to ensure compatibility with your Tangem wallet. Review the details one last time, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to authenticate with your app's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. After confirmation, sit tight. Transactions usually take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to your Tangem app to verify that your BNB has arrived safely. And that's it. You've successfully moved your BNB to a more secure spot. Remember, in the fast-evolving world of crypto, staying updated is key, so keep an eye on any 2025 updates from Crypto.com or Tangem. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides. See you in the next video.